So we've got beef, we've got rice, we've got amazing, truly amazing flavors. Welcome back to How to Cook Ray. So what I've got there is 1 kg of beef. 1 kg is about 2.2 pounds. A little bit of fat, no bone. I've got 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of black lemon powder, half a cup of oil. I'm using olive oil. That's it for this part. We're going to mix all of that together. So I've got the beef into a mixing bowl. We're going to add all of the spices that we just saw. So chili, cumin, turmeric, salt, pepper, coriander, nutmeg, and the black lemon. Now that's the black lemon. You can get them whole. We're going to put some whole ones in this as well. Half a cup of olive oil. That's just going to sort of bring it all together. You can see I've got a glove on because I'm going to go in, give this a really beautiful mix. Now the black lime or the black lemon, some of you find hard to get. I always get quite a few emails whenever I use it. So yeah, you'll have to go online and get it really. I don't suppose it's that easy in some parts of the world, but for me, obviously living in this part of the world, it's used a lot and it's easy to get. So yeah, jump online, I'm sure you'll be able to get it. Right, look at that, beautiful. Off to the cooker. So you're going to need a large pot like this. You're going to need a lid. In we go. No need to put any oil in there. We just put that oil from the mixture that we just done. Right, we're going to go for about 7 or 8 minutes. We're on a medium heat and we're going to stir it every now and then. Then we're going to need 6 green cardamom pods, 6 cloves, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and a couple of bay leaves. 135 grams of tomato paste, or one of these kind of small Tetra Pak things. 2 decent sized tomatoes, chunky cut. And these are the whole black dried limes or lemons. We're going to take 2 of these. So as you can hear, they're completely solid. What you need to do is get a fork, just prod it in there a couple of times, open it out a little bit. Fantastic. Okay, that meat's well on its way. Fabulous. Now you just saw some other ingredients we're about to add, so let's do that. We're going to start off with the tomato paste, 135 grams. So it's about sort of 3 tablespoons, I think. It's an odd number, isn't it? 135 grams. Now, we're now going to go in with the 6 green cardamom, the 6 cloves, and the teaspoon of cumin seeds, the bay, and we'll give that a mix. Then we're going to add the 2 whole dried black lemons. I didn't use a fork actually, I just used a knife and just prod it in. The tomatoes, chunky cut like that. I mean, they're going to break down quite a bit. And then we just need water. That's about 1 litre of water there. So we've just covered it. And turn the heat up to on medium. It's going to go above medium. Now we want to go for about 20 minutes. You can give it a stir every now and then. Okay, and while that's going, let's prepare our rice. I've got 3 cups of rice there. I'm using a basmati rice. What we're going to do, we're going to give that a rinse out in some water 2 or 3 times. Then I'm going to cover it in water and let it soak for just about 10 minutes or so. So look, just as I do this little zoom into the pot, now's a good time for me to remind you to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Okay, so that's been going about 20 minutes now. Those tomatoes are breaking down nicely. Right, we're going to get our rice, which I've soaked here, so I'm just going to grab it out. Washed it a few times, rinsed it out in cold water, and now soaked it for, I don't know, 15 minutes or so, 10 or 15 minutes. The soaking just gives it a little head start before it goes into the water and cooks in them lovely flavours that we have there. Just a bit more at the bottom there. I should have maybe drained this off and then put it in, shouldn't I? Silly me. There you go. Okay, mix that in. There's enough liquid there for sure with that litre we put in earlier. We're going to turn the heat down nice and low now. Not a simmer, just above that. We're going to get a lid on that and let it go for about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, let's get the heat off and take a look. Oh, that looks good. I'm super happy there. So, as you can see, the rice has really absorbed everything in there, but it's still kind of nice and wet. I like it. I don't like it too dry. Delicious. Let's serve that up. Okay, and there you go. Really, really beautiful. I really do love this one. And like I say, the rice has soaked up all of the lovely flavors in the water that we added, but still got a bit of kind of stickiness to it, which I don't like it too dry, but yeah. So a little taste of that. That is divine. I love that. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Take care. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.